Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the weekend and most weekends we all sleep and wake up late and start up the day with some brunch. Cook that brunch with me guys. First I have my potatoes which I just placed in the sink. You saw me guys do it and I run some water over it to give it a quick wash. Guys, this process is so easy. Wash your potatoes first. Depending, I know some people already have their potatoes washed and placed in their pantry, but I just love to give it that quick wash before I start up. I'm done washing and I use the potato peel to take the skin off the potatoes. Guys, what do you love to peel your potatoes with? Sometimes we use the knife or we use this, but I noticed when you're used to using certain kitchen equipment, it's difficult to, move over or to start using something made easier or said to be made easier. What do you think? Most of the times I don't even look at this peeler. I go straight and use my knife to peel my potatoes. Guys, sometimes using that knife makes it faster. Maybe because I grew up using the knife and in this adult stage I found this peeler and I'm using the peeler. What do you like to use? Do you like to use your potato peeler or do you just love to use your knife? Today I'm using the peeler because it is faster, it's doing the work so fast. And this is brunch. Kids are hungry, people are hungry because we all just woke up late. So doing this will just make the work faster and easier as well. So done peeling, almost done peeling. Guys, you can see I'm just being so fast here. I give these potatoes a good slice. Guys, what do you think? Do you like the sizes? What do you think about the sizes? Well, potatoes come in various shapes and slicing them in any shape you want. What matters is the food cooked? Is it sweet? Is it lovely? So today I'm going for this longer slice or this longer shape. It's quite easy. Yes, I give it a good slice. I'm actually taking my hands off so you can see what I am doing. Give it just a good slice, the longer size or the longer shape. There are different ways to have your potatoes cut. If you're using some shaper, it will give it different shape. If you are peeling it circle, it will give it the circle shape. Today, let's go for the shape, like as if it's a bigger chip. Let's call it bigger chip size. Yes, the bigger potato chip size. That is just what I am doing. Longer as well, a bit longer. All of the potatoes will not come in the same length or the same size, but for this shape, that is the shape I'm going for, making it into a potato strip, somewhat a potato strip. Yes, this one, the potato is quite small, so the size, as you can see, or the shape is just a short strip, but it's long. It still took that shape, and that is what I am going for today. That is what I actually like for today. Almost done with the peeling. Guys, the peeling is where the work is. When this process is done, every other thing tends to be faster. Please, if you made it to this point, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'm done peeling with the potatoes and done shaping it. I put them into a clean pot, set to give it a boil, guys. Yes, and I pour in some water into the potatoes. There are lots of recipes you can make with your potatoes, hundreds and hundreds of recipes. Potatoes are simply good, they are simply great, they are just like a go-to when you're hungry. Whatever method you want to use or cook your potatoes with, potatoes will always respond. So guys, I added some salt now, and then this is the secret ingredient of these potatoes, turmeric. Turmeric is a great food spice or also a great food seasoning, I'll say, but I love the spice so much. I love the nutritional content, the nutritional quality. I also love that you can use turmeric as a food color, quite natural, and you're sure of what you're using. You're sure you're not using something else for your food coloring. So done now, I cover the pot and I set it on the stove to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. At the end of the 10 minutes, I check on it and I strain the water off the potatoes. Guys, because of the staining nature of turmeric. I wouldn't want every of my kitchen to be yellow, so I carefully do this, and I'm wearing an apron as well, so I'm careful of the stain. I have my oven tray here. I pour the boiled potatoes on the oven tray. Guys, this is quite much because the people eating this are many. This is a family size portion. I spread the potatoes evenly. This is best if you're cooking a smaller portion, but this is just what I have to do because I wouldn't want to sleep in the kitchen. As much as I love cooking for my family, I love cooking for my friends, I do not like to sleep in the kitchen. Now I'm sprinkling some oil on the potatoes. I love that every of the potatoes get some oil on it, so it cooks properly in the oven, or it achieves what I want it to achieve, to cook properly the way I want it to. I place the tray of potatoes into the oven and allow it to be here for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that is going on, I place my frying pan on the stove, add some oil to the frying pan. Guys, I'm just adding some vegetable oil into the frying pan. What type of oil do you like to use? For this particular recipe, I'm going with vegetable oil. Here I have some onions. I give the onions some good fry in the sizzling oil. This will be about 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes, yes. 3 to 4 minutes is just right for this. I give it a good fry. Remember, the oven is working on the potatoes, or rather the potatoes are in the oven cooking. While that is done, I add some tomato paste to the onions to continue the frying. Guys, for this recipe, I'll be working with the tomato paste. This is brunch. I do not want to work with the fresh tomatoes or just the raw tomatoes. I need to cook fast. This is an easy recipe, perfect for brunch. I'm done with the frying of the tomatoes and onions. I add some curry and salt to this sauce. Guys, I'm only working with curry and salt, nothing else added, no much ingredients, no pepper as well, because this is children friendly recipe. Children do not like pepper. I add some eggs to it, so if you be adding pepper, you can do that on the table, but right now no pepper for this, just curry and salt into the egg sauce. I scramble these eggs. I want it all scrambled. I do not want to find lumpy eggs. I just scramble everything together, the eggs and the tomatoes with some onions, give them a good fry, and that will just be it. It's quite easy. This is an easy recipe, guys. Easy recipe, easy potato meal recipe, perfect for brunch, and I hope you love it. Please guys, do subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also guys, like this video. It will help the channel, it will also help this video. We're almost done with this, and guys, this will take about 3 minutes to get it all scrambled and beautiful. Look at it, look at what we have now. This is exactly what I am going for. Perfect egg sauce. I add some bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also some other yellow pepper. If you know me, if you've watched my videos, you know I love bell peppers. If you always watch my videos to the end, you confirm I love bell peppers. I love bell peppers so much. I'm a bell pepper girl. This is just what we have now, all mixed together, and it is lovely, all lovely. I love the sauce. This is what I'm going for. And next, I chop some cucumbers. I cut some cucumbers because I'll be serving this meal with it. Guys, brunch is almost ready. Brunch is ready. Chopping some cucumbers to serve with. Guys, what do you think? Do you love it? Let's check on our potatoes, guys. It's time up. Yes, this is what I have. Lovely, and this is our meal. Our brunch is ready. If you notice, the potatoes are not looking hard. This meal is perfect for everyone. You can serve it with some bread, some tea, some custard, some milk, just right, and also serve with some bread. Do check out my next video on how to make your bread at home with minimal ingredients. Quick and easy recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a beautiful day ahead.